Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can fix Battlefield 6 not launching. Now, the most common fix, which is probably going to work in 99% of cases, is just to verify the integrity of the game files. How are you going to do this is by going to Steam, for example, if you're playing the game on Steam, which I highly recommend, and then just come to your library, double click or right click on your game and click on properties. Now I want you to find your basically installed files section, and I want you to click on verify integrity of beta files or game files in general. What this is going to do is going to try to go through all of the files in your game, and it's going to make sure that your files are the same as the official files, okay? And if not, it's going to download every necessary file. So yeah, that's pretty much it. What I also recommend you do, of course, is that you update your GPU drivers and you run the game as an administrator. Alright, if nothing works, what I could do is I could try to disable the antivirus, because sometimes it can conflict with the anti-cheat and with the multiplayer client of Battlefield 6. That's pretty much it, and thank you so much, guys.